So today we are going to start with a new chapter. It is projection of solids. So what is a solid? So here I have some solids. So solid is a object which has mass, which occupies mass in space. So previous chapters you have seen projection of planes. So projection of planes. So plane is something which has only a negligible thickness. So you have seen a square plane. A pentagonal plane and a hexagonal plane. Okay, so these are having negligible thickness. It is not having any mass, but when you give a certain mass to this particular plane, it becomes a solid. So now solid is a combination of many planes. So this is a solid. So here there are two categories. First category is prisms. Second category is pyramid. So we have square based prism, pentagonal based prisms, and so on. Hexagonal based prism, cylinder, this is cylinder. These are all prisms. Okay, so here you can see a square based prism. So it is having a square base, a certain height, and again on the top there is a square. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 planes together. So here I have a pentagonal base solid. This is a pentagon. So pentagon has how many faces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 here horizontal faces, 5 vertical faces and 2 horizontal faces. So likewise I have a cylinder which is made up of a circular plane in the top and bottom. So it has only 2 faces. So square based prism has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Pentagon has 7 faces, 5 here vertical faces, and on the top and bottom total 7 faces. Like that you have, like pentagonal based prism, you have hexagonal based prism also. So which will have still more, two more number of faces. So this category of solids are called as prisms. Pyramids we'll discuss in the next class. So likewise we have pyramids. Pyramid is a solid which is pointed at the end. This is a square based pyramid. It's pointed at the end. We have cone. Pentagonal based pyramid. So what's the difference? Main differences in prisms, you have a combination of planes separated by a certain height, whereas in pyramids it is pointed and it is called as apex. It is having only one plane at the base, and this point is called as the apex. So this is introduction to solids.